Mike is off. Eddie is off.
That's good. Keep going right past the camera.
He's down.
Shot.
Beautiful. Eddie Newman.
All these aircraft were supplied by Proctor Enterprises, Aurora, Oregon. That's the wrong date. It's December 1994.
He's going to go up for a parachute drop. I hope he gets down safe.
There's something out there.
There he goes. He's out.
Come again past him?
Let me get a little wider.
Okay, come in.
Just keep circling around him.
Coming in now. That was like a strutter, and that's what Ralphie said.
We thought this 5 days would wrap up the movie, but because of unforeseen circumstances, they had to come back in January of '95 for another 4 or 5 days of filming to finish the movie.
Very nice, Joe. Meanwhile, back at the ranch, we got these Lucas airplanes all torn apart. We're repairing them. From radio's not working to engines not working to
Pilot's not working.
that's Eddie from Fort Worth there.
I'm not talking about me
And
though.
our chief mechanic, Jerry Turntine, repairing Eddie's airplane. Putting a new engine, new radio, and what else, guys?
Is that enough?
That's enough, yeah. Dick Heining, he's a
New paint
supervisor.
job. New paint job.
And Joe, what'd you have to do to the 1.5 strutter?
I had to replace the tail skid, fix the cowl, just kind of wipe it off. It's been a good little airplane.
So it's a whole new airplane, huh?
You bet.
All right, good. Our professional painter, right, Paul?
I wouldn't go that far.
We wouldn't go that far, huh? We would. And we had to repair the tail skid on Eddie Newman's Albatross. This is Dick Heining's new Fokker D7. Possibly the next quarter scale
He won't be laying
kit for Proctor Enterprises.
trees downwind in the boonies.
What are you doing there? Are you making an Indian head for the side of the Hobby Newport 17, are you?
Yeah.
By hand?
Yep, the Lafayette.
We're converting one of the Nungesser Newports to the Hobby Newport, and Paul's in the midst of repainting. This is a Nungesser Newport, and we had 2 of them, and he's changing it over to match the Hobby
Paul Edgerly, master painter.
Newport. This is the Hobie Newport. Hobie's a friend of Indiana Jones, young Indiana. And this is the color scheme that Paul's going to match on the Nungesser. This is the Nungesser, and Paul's got to put this Indian head right on the side of the fuselage once these guys get this radio and engine installed.
Well, I'm trying to get this.
There's old young Indy, and he's still got his parachute attached to him.
Let me hold it.
Boy, he's been through some times.
Looks like Alan Hawes to me.
There's old Joe Topper, ex-Northwest Seaplane champion. Milk it, Dave. He's come in, dead stick landing on the hard stuff. Oh, that's no prop.
Listen to the speed of that camera.
Well, the master, Mike Dondero, just fixed our camera so we can continue, right, Mike?
Hero. You're right. Very good. Okay.
Platform so we can suspend the 1.5 strutter so we can spin it. And credit.
Well, we're all out here in the south end of the field preparing for the crash landing scene. Get the camera set up. And Randy Hanson's going to attempt to land this, not this one, but one just like it. Make a rough landing out in this area right out here.
And pretty stiff crosswind at that.
Too lean. Uh-oh. Randy Hanson's going to take off for the crash scene, and he has to take off crosswind in a stubble field. We're up, we're up, we're up. Randy's making a test pass. Okay, Randy says this is it. This is going to be the crash landing. Again. Good, good.
That was the take.
Richthofen's in the air. Okay, this is a forced landing for Richthofen. Very good. Okay, Randy's going to try the crash scene again.
We flew from 6 in the morning till it got dark, and we go and repair airplanes till midnight or more.
Very good, Randy.
Go get him to the pilot so he can look out. Nungesser's did a good job. Yeah, he's dead.
Good show, Randy.
Well, I got a little bit of my role.
He's not going to walk away from that one. This is going to be the last flight of the day. We've been filming for 3 days now. Joe's got the smoke on. He's going to come by the camera and land, hopefully. You got to land and get the smoke working. The smoke isn't working properly. Okay, here we are at the Canby Dusters Field, Canby, Oregon. We just finished up shooting for Young Indiana Jones Chronicles, the Lucasfilm crews here, a bunch of our pilots, and we had a great 4 days, right, guys?
Yeah!
Hey, you want to do this again sometime?
Yeah! Tomorrow!
Hey, tomorrow, huh? Hey, we had a great time. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you again some.